Held over 2 days on May 27 and 28th, the Hưng Yên Lychee Fair 2023 featured 50 stalls displaying fresh lychee products and other typical products from the province. Local and foreign customers had the chance to learn more about lychees grown in Hưng Yên and the early ripening hybrid lychee grown in Phù Cử district.
There are many traders visiting the fair. The lychees are big this year, with a beautiful appearance and very good quality.
The district is interested in conducting trade promotions, so that traders, supermarkets, and businesses know more about the local hybrid lychees.
Phù Cử early ripening hybrid lychees have been granted a certificate of trademark registration by the National Office of Intellectual Property and are widely planted in the two districts of Phù Cử and Ân Thi on a total area of more than 1,000 hectares. Output from the Phù Cử early ripening lychees is expected to be more than 12,700 tons this year and harvested in late May and early June. Many local cooperatives and lychee growers have been granted production area codes for exports to the US and Japan.